Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the throw keyword. Throw keyword is used to throw an exception from the method or any block of code. We can throw either checked exceptions or unchecked exceptions. The throw keyword is mainly used to throw custom exceptions. Okay, I repeat it again. Throw keyword is used to throw an exception from the method or any block of code. We can throw either checked exceptions or unchecked exceptions. The throw keyword is mainly used to throw the custom exceptions. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created this package, and in this example I want to give the input at runtime. That's why we have used this scanner class. This is my class name, test exception 13. Inside this class, I have created the validate function. Okay, user defined function. So here I have given the static keyword. So we know already when the method is used with the static keyword, we can call this method without creating the object of this class. And here I have created the argument DEPT. Okay, and its data type is string. Inside this validate, I have implemented the try catch. I have implemented the exception handling to avoid the runtime errors. Okay, and inside the try block, I have used the decision making statement. Okay, if this is the name of the argument, isn't it? Here, this is the argument, and this is the inbuilt method of string. So this inbuilt method is present inside the string class. Okay, and this method is used to check whether the given string is equal to the string which is stored inside the DEPT argument. If it is equal, it returns true. Okay, so after evaluate this expression, we will get either true or false. If it returns true means the control comes inside the if block. Here we have used the throw keyword. So what is the usage of throw keyword? Throw keyword is used to throw an exception from the method or any block of code. Now only we have discussed, isn't it? Here throw keyword I have used and followed by new keyword. Okay, and this is the name of the exception handler. This is the inbuilt exception class. This is the parent class of all the exception classes. Okay, and here I have given the custom message. Whatever we want, we give. Okay, the given department has some wrong details I have given here. Okay, and if this ninth statement returns false means the control skip this statement and the control comes here. So this statement will be printed on our console. Okay, if any error will occur inside this try block means what will happen? The control jumps to the 19th statement, that is the catch block. This is the inbuilt exception class. Okay, so this exception handler is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. Okay, and the variable value will be printed on our console, and this is the custom message. This is also will be printed on our console. Okay, here only the execution starts. Why? Because here we have the main method. Okay, and inside the main method I have created the object SC for the scanner class. Okay, and here we have the system.in. Through keyboard we will give the input. Okay, and inside the scanner class we have the inbuilt method next line. So this inbuilt method is used to read the line from the user at runtime. Okay, so this is inside this scanner class. Okay, that's why we have to use this SC here. Okay, SC dot next line. After we give the input, that input will be stored on our st. That is the name of the variable. Its data type is a string. Okay. And here we have the call statement. So our input will be carried by the control, and the control jumps from the 31st line to the 5th line. Here our input will be stored inside the DEPT argument. Okay. If our DEPT argument value is equal to this production, then the control comes inside the if block. Here we have the throw keyword. Okay. So what will happen? This throw keyword is used to throw explicitly the exception. Okay. So what will happen? The control jumps from the 12th line to the 19th line. Okay. So here this error message, that is, this is our custom message, isn't it? So that custom message will be printed on our console, and the error also will be printed. Okay, I hope you all understood about the flow of the execution of this program. Okay, let me execute this one. Enter department. So if I give production, means what will happen? This statement will be printed. Okay, now I press the enter key. So our custom message is printed. The given department has some wrong details, and this statement also is printed, and the rest of the code is also printed. Okay, again I execute the same. Now I give some other department, design. Here after encounter this line we got false, so this statement is printed. Go ahead, and here rest of the code is also printed. Got it? So this throw keyword is used to throw explicitly an exception, okay, from the method or any block of code. Okay, so this throw keyword is mainly used to throw the custom message like this. Okay, so we can throw either checked exception or unchecked exceptions. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.